This video will teach you how to assemble the Paj Ntaub Kit. I will first teach you the basics of cross-stitching in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Threading and tying the needle. Unravel the floss from the bobbin and pull a strand of thread. Use one end and insert it into the needle hole. Grab both ends of the thread and wrap it around your finger once. Pinch the thread and roll your thumb forward. Pull the string back and you have a knot. Step 2. Cross-stitch. Based on the pattern, each colored box is an X. To make the X, start from the bottom of one hole and go diagonally to the next adjacent hole. Go up next to the hole where you started and cross the string to the adjacent hole. Repeat the steps to make a row of X's. Some patterns will have lines instead of filled-in boxes. To stitch these lines, start from one corner and go down 2 holes. Don't pull the thread all the way. Poke your needle up from the middle hole and go across one hole. Repeat the steps. Step 3. Tie the thread. Go under one of the stitches nearby and make a hole. Put the needle through the hole and pull. Repeat 2 to 3 more times until the knot is secured. Now you're ready to assemble the Paj Ntaub Kit. I've already completed step 1 of tying the needle. Reading the pattern, you'll see that to create the ladder, you'll need to create 3 stitches down and 3 across. Repeat on the other side. Tie the knot once you're done with a section of the pattern, or if you need to restring the thread. As a reminder on how to tie a knot, go under one of the stitches nearby and make a hole. Put your needle through the hole and pull. Repeat until the knot is secured. Reknot your thread before starting more stitches. The lines of the pattern indicates cross-stitching lines. I'm altering the colors in this pattern, but you can keep it in one color. Starting with the first hole, count down 2 holes and go up 1. Go up to the middle hole and down to the next one. Repeat steps until all the triangle shapes are completed. Onto adding the border. If you have a coaster project, before you add the border, measure the size of the coaster onto the back side of the Paj Ntaub. Facing the shiny side of the fabric down onto the Paj Ntaub, you can use needles to secure the fabric. If you don't have needles, ensure the edges of the fabric are aligned with each other. Leave about 2 to 3 inches open at the end so you can flip the fabric inside out later. Start on the hole next to the Paj Ntaub and create straight stitches around it. You can stitch hole by hole or 2 to 3 holes at a time. Once you're done stitching, cut the excess border fabric and corners of the Paj Ntaub. This will allow you to have sharper corners. With the hole you left unstitched, turn the fabric inside out. To get to the corners, use a pointed object like a pen to poke the corners out. Seal the hole by creating invisible stitches. Start by inserting the needle up to the edge of the fabric. Go across to the other side of the folded fabric up a few centimeters and pull the thread through. Repeat the steps. As the thread is pulled, you'll see the two fabrics coming together, hiding the stitches. To tie a knot, go underneath the closest stitch, create a hole and put the needle through the hole. You can repeat the process 2 to 3 times until a knot is secured. From there, poke your needle through a side of the fabric and cut it. Stretch the bandao to hide the loose strands of the thread. If you have the coaster project, take off the adhesive and put it onto the back side of the bandao. To see our other kits or learn more about Hmong Museum, visit us at www.hmongmuseumMN.org.